Wow, my bag is so heavy today. I never bring my laptop.
What's this? Oh, is that our old photo book?
This?
I think it's the collated photos of our science journey over our IPLs. Let's take a look.
Dang, this photo brings back so many memories. Was this fish files?
Yep, this was one of the many science projects in lower IP. I recall researching about how to best take care of fish by considering factors ranging from the water pH to the nutrients in the water.
Wow, I miss those days. What other projects did we do?
Hey wait guys, do y'all remember the bio project about urine? I was so shocked.
Well, good thing that we are protected with lab equipment, haha. But I remember having so much fun applying the concepts we learned in bio class to real life health problems.
Yep, I learned lots about how health problems could be diagnosed using food tests. It was highly memorable.
Do you remember that one project about vinegar and eggs that we had to do for chemistry?
Sounds like breakfast to me. No, this project was about finding the fastest way to dissolve eggshells in vinegar. This experiment was special as we altered as many variables as we could, such as the surface area of eggshells or the temperature of vinegar.
Hey, I also remember that this project happened during circuit breaker. It was so fun to be able to continue with hands-on learning despite the pandemic by using materials in our homes.
Hey guys, check it out! Do you remember our physics project in IP4, where we had to make prototypes that demonstrated physics concepts?
Yes, this was one of my favourite projects as we were given so much freedom to explore our interests while educating others with our creations.
Oh my god guys, this was my project! I got inspiration from a hand-powered electric generator that made use of electromagnetism from an anime I watched. I was so excited when my prototype actually worked!
Other than cohort-wide projects, many of us were also able to sign up for National Science Olympiads and other science exposure programs.
Ah yes, I attended the Chemistry Olympiad training by our very own TJC teachers. All my teachers were caring for not only our content knowledge, but our well-being. I've heard similar stories about the other Olympiads as well.
Besides, some of us were chosen for training for the National Science Challenge. We truly had a lot of fun trying to present our ideas interactively. In our year, we managed to get into the quarterfinals and got to see ourselves on TV.
Our school even sent some of us for the International Biomedical Quiz, where we received lessons from not only our school teachers, but some of our TJC alumni who work in the medical industry. This made me more interested to work in medicine.
We had such a blast, didn't we?
This is where our photo book ends, but our science journey is far from over, and so is yours.
Join us at TJIP to take the first step in your science journey.